The wren, oh the wren, he's the king of all birds. St. Stephen's Day, he got caught in the furs. It's up with the kettle and down with the pan. Won't you give us a penny for to bury the wren? It's Christmas time and that's why we're here. Please be good enough to give us an ear. We'll sing and we'll dance if you'll give us a chance, and we won't be coming back for another whole year. We'll play Gary Polkas, they're real hot stuff. We'll play the Mason's Apron and the Pinch of Snuff, John Maroney's Jig and the Donegal Reel, music made to put a spring in your heel. If there's a drink in the house, will it make itself known before I sing a song called The Banks of the Loan? A drink with lubrication in it for my poor dry throat, and I'll sing like a linnet. Oh, please give us something for the little bird's wake. A big lump of pudding or some Christmas cake, a fistful of goose and a hot cup of tea, and then we'll soon be going on our way.